Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. Today I'm here with a Canva video and we're going to be talking about just a few tips that I've learned on Canva, a few shortcuts, and we're going to talk about the palette generator as well as the color wheel. A lot of times you guys don't know that there's so much more to Canva that you probably even explore yet. I'm just here to put you up on game and show you a few more things that you can use to make your Canva experience wonderful, and it's really worth the $12.95 a month if you get Canva Pro. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. We're going to hop right on over to Canva. I have a document already open, but this is just my home page here. They have been doing lots of updates. This is starting to look different. One time it was like the blue color, the same color as the actual template, and now it's like this purple. They have updated icons and things like that. They are consistently improving, and I love that. I just have this US letter open right now, and I am going to show you guys a few different shortcuts. So the first one is by just tapping the letter C on your keyboard, and it brings up a circle. I'm going to leave that. And again, C is for circle. Then if you hit a T on your keyboard in your document, it brings up a text box. So you can easily go in and change the fonts on that text to anything that you want. You can change the size, but that is a feature that is now there as a shortcut. The next one is a aura, and it's for rectangle but R square, but regardless, if you want to make it an actual square, you can bring that down to size, but the aura is what brings up a rectangle or square, however you want to look at it. And the last one is a L for line, so it'll bring up that line for you. And now they have these different options where you can check in on the weight and thickness of the line. If I wanted a number 2, it gets a little bit thinner. If I click it, and here it gives me the option to have this dotted line, to have this dash line, and then this one just has that little bar at the end of it. And then again, we can go back and change the thickness and the weight of that actual line. Okay, here it says where the line starts. It gives that point. If you want an arrow or something added to that, you get that. And then here we also have, let's see what it says. It says line in. And again, you have these options here for the line. That was the shortcuts that I wanted to show you guys for Canva. And then we're going to go right on over here to Google, and we're going to type in Canva palette. Let me spell it right. Palette generator. And the very first one will bring up Canva. It'll say color palette generator for Canva colors. And basically what you can do here is if you have a picture or a color or a design aesthetic in mind, you can upload a photo and it'll extract a few of the colors for you. So you can do it here by trying the demo. What happens is it's a color with a B, and it tells you the name of the colors, and it actually gives you the hex code. Again, they have endless color palette ideas for you as well. This is really helpful when it comes to creating t-shirts and trying to find new colors. So again, this is a palette generator that is free. I'm going to go ahead and upload a picture. I found a donut picture here on the internet, and we're just going to upload it so you guys can see it in action. Right away, the picture is uploaded, and it brings out so cute, fuzzy wuzzy brown, coffee bean, stark white, and clamshell. These are the colors that you have right here for your color combination. You can keep this open, so when you go into your Canva graphics, you can take this, you can copy that, and say you want to go over here and you want to make that square that color. You just go over there, hit the color box, hit new color, and then you just paste in that color. You'll have your, what color is that? We'll have your fuzzy brown. And while I'm in there, I'll hit text, and then I'll put in that fuzzy brown. That kind of helps with sorting out your stuff and for your images and for your pictures and things like that. You can also go in to your home page. It is, what is it under? Brand kit. And you can create basically a new palette for that. Okay, so you can go in here and say you want your add or discover. They have some here already for you. And then you can go ahead in here and say you want to do your custom palette and you use that first color and you can create your custom palette for that, which is awesome. I love that as well. Again, these are features that you may have not known that existed, but is really helpful. Another resource they have is the color wheel. So that's just down below under resources. And what this does is you just pick a color. So, you know, you guys, I love purple. So let's find a little lighter purple. So you just pick a color. If you already have the hex code, like I have the other one, you can use that. And what it does is gives you like color combinations, like maybe something you might ever think of. So this is complementary, monochrome, analog. So that means like more. And then what happens is you can take this, use this color combination, you can export the palette. Okay, so you can export that palette for yourself. You can download it as a PDF, or you can just go right here and create a graphic. So take those colors into a template for you and you can create the graphic from there. So that is another tip and a tool that you can use. I think I've shown you guys on this page before how to use the font combinations. So that was another tool that I enjoy using. But I just thought that it was my due diligence to let you guys know about some of these shortcuts and then a way that you can find new colors and new color palettes to just uplift your design and make it a little bit better. So I hope this was helpful for you. I know a lot of times you guys don't see my face. I am trying different techniques with my video. I have my mic stand here. I have my headphones on, trying to provide better quality audio and visually pleasing content. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Canva tips and trips tutorial or video, whatever you want to call it. Let me know what tool have you used already. And today, make sure you go ahead and look up the color palette and try in your best to design a new journal cover with your new palette design, add it to your brand kit, and then create a new journal or create a new t-shirt design with some of the color wheel that you put together. Try your best to come up with new color styles, and this could create a whole new design idea or skill for you in your business by using the color palette generator and the color wheel. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.